If I ever see the sun again without a sense of emptiness inside, I'm telling you first. When I tear down through the endlessness of walls that I can't feel, I want to know that there's a haven, a touch of you to heal. I've listened to the sound of nothing. Tell me what it is that I am listening for. Show me what I'm looking for. If I ever taste a breeze again, gently on my skin, I'm telling you first. The silence has been golden, but it pierces through my head. Sometimes the pathways of thoughts I have are better left unfed. I've listened to the sound of nothing. Tell me what it is that I am listening for. Show me what I'm looking for. I believe this is where I should be. I follow only where my heart can be this free. But I fight the coldness of these nights without the comfort of the sight of you holding on to me. I've listened to the sound of nothing. Tell me what it is that I am listening for. Show me what I'm looking for.